Hi guys, hi everybody. Today we will try to put our samples inside the machineplus. So let's try out. I saw on the comments that it exists a place inside the folder on the SD card that we can place the samples. So let's go. Okay. SD card. Joke on my iMac. Big bag. Okay. Here we've got the SD card. First, I tried to create a user folder and put my samples on it, and that doesn't work. So I put it on the trash. Big ciao. And then I will try to find the famous folder on the native instruments directory. Okay, I found it. It's here, user content book. We've got our presets from Phases and Realm. Okay, so I've got some samples that I download from my Splice account, and it's here. Putain, je les ai foutus où maintenant? Bibliothèque, musique. Okay, never mind. Talk. Okay. So here is my samples. Fuck. Okay. Tag user content. So let's drag some samples on it. Okay, loops, one shot thing, some one shots, some snares, some kicks, just to see if the tag from Splice keep going on the machine. And then we've got some vocals. Here it is. So tag, eject, beef. That's it. Then I put it on the SD slot. Okay, slot. And then just click Shift and rescan. Oh fuck. Shift and rescan. And it's working. It's on the first time scanning all the libraries that are in the SD card. Okay, let's find out if there's something on the user folder. There's nothing. No results. Ah, yeah, because it's projects. So there's nothing on group. Okay, sounds, instruments, effects, nothing, loops, there's nothing, and one shots. Okay, what's going on here? And voila. Okay, nice. Here are my samples. Wonderful. Woo. Yeah. Okay, and for the tags, here are the types. Okay, drums. Okay, so as you can see, it recognized only the loops and only the drums. It could not found the one shots. I don't know how native instruments do his tags, so maybe it's better to make the tagging inside the native instruments Maschine desktop version, and then upload on the SD card and charge it on the machineplus. So here it is for today. Leave me some comments if you got some questions. Leave a thumbs up, please, and please subscribe if you like. Ciao.